I'm going to show you how to make crispy spring rolls.
Chūnjuǎn. Start by soaking 3 shiitake mushrooms for 4 hours. Also soak 0.5 ounces of black fungus for 30 minutes and 2 ounces of glass noodles while continuing the preparation. Cut in julienne 2 carrots, 3.5 ounces of celery, roughly cut 5 ounces of spinach, slice 5 ounces of napa cabbage. Cut the shiitake mushrooms into small cubes. Drain the black fungus. Remove their food. Cut them into filaments. Slice 1 onion and chop 2 cloves of garlic. Cut the glass noodles into 2-inch sections. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. To make these crispy spring rolls, you can use seasonal vegetables of your choice. Always start by cooking the harder ones first. To cook the stuffing, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the onion. Stir for 1 minute. The shiitake mushrooms, stir for 2 minutes. The carrots and half teaspoon of salt, stir for 2 minutes. Then put the napa cabbage, the celery, the glass noodles, the spinach, the black fungus mushrooms, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir for 3 minutes. Pre-cooking the stuffing is necessary. If we directly fry the rolls with the raw stuffing, the vegetables would release their water inside the wrappers and the rolls would have a lot of empty space. Add the diluted starch. Stir for 20 seconds. It binds the ingredients together. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to flavor the stuffing. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. Let cool. Dilute half tablespoon of all-purpose flour in 1 tablespoon of water. It will seal the rolls. Prepare the egg roll wrappers. Put them under the dry cloth to prevent them from drying out. Take a sheet. Put it diagonally. Put 2 tablespoons of stuffing on the lower part. Wrap the filling around once. Then fold the 2 sides towards the center. Round up tightly. Spread the diluted flour on the tip and round it up to the end. At this stage, we can store them in a box in the fridge for 1 day. Preheat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the rolls for 5 to 6 minutes. Flip them from time to time for even cooking. Take them out and place them on the rack. Enjoy them with sriracha sauce or with Ngoc Cham Vietnamese spring roll sauce. Bon appétit! offer these rolls. Everyone loves them. They are very popular thanks to the richness of the vegetable ingredients. Children really enjoy them. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.